Hello everyone, welcome to Dope Tech. Today we'll learn how to use your mobile as a remote for YouTube. First, we have to go to youtube.com/tv. This is how the interface looks like. Now we have to go to settings. Click on link TV and phone. Select the second option. So this is the code which you have to enter in the YouTube mobile app. Let's go to settings on the YouTube mobile app. Click on watch on TV. Enter TV code. Now enter the code from the desktop here. 137 320 989 066 and link. So that's it, we're connected. Let's try playing a video now.
My name is Warren and I'm a mechanical engineer at Google.
You can even control the volume using the YouTube mobile app.
I'm a mechanical engineer at Google.
My name is Justin Woodrich and I'm a mechanical engineer on the Google Home team. We're responsible for the part of the product that you can touch and see and feel and hold, produce and ship to customers. So you get to see that whole process and
just make everything a reality.
So you get to see that whole process and watch the product evolve from just an idea.
Let's try going to the next video. Yeah, that works great. For the last time, let's try going to another video. That works good too.
Set your priorities correctly.
And that's how you can control your YouTube by using your mobile as a remote. Finally, this is how we disconnect. So guys, that's us for this video. Please do like, share and subscribe for the upcoming videos.